Hey guys, Tim here. Today we're going to add some more layers to our map, but I'll first like to hide some layers because the new layers make it easy to view the new layers. Okay, first layer is so fossils and minerals, rock and mineral collection. The collection includes photos. This one, interesting because it's sunny corner right next to the Big Hill mine, where I know there's a high concentration of arsenic, and this just verifies it. Arsenic rock is in that location. Yeah, so just keep an eye out for this rock and just don't handle it. Okay, that's that one. Okay, next layer. This one. Geology, seamless, individual features. Do the part of the New South Wales surface geology layers. So if this is going to have a look at faults. If I zoom out, you can actually see the correlation between fault lines and gold mines, gold deposits. So it can be handy. So you can look along those lines. You've probably more chance of finding gold than elsewhere. Let's say over here, or if they intersect. Okay. I'll just bring up an image on faults. So you can see, so the solid lines and solid lines are faults that you can actually identify from the surface. The one with the dash, you actually can't identify from the surface. But they're both normal faults. Then you got the reverse fault. Okay, sorry. Normal faults. Normal fault is where they're actually moving away from each other. The actual fault is on an angle that's actually the two layers are moving away. Whereas a reverse fault is the one layer is moving on top of another layer here. So which these little indicators indicate that that's the lower ground, that's the higher ground. So it's actually moving that way. Okay. Faults. Okay, next layer is fault. An example, I'll hide the faults now. There's an example of two different faults. I'll put a few images on the screen. Okay. So that one's an anticline, so it's a fault going up. And when they're both inwards, that's a syncline, it's going up. So the folds of the Earth would go up here, and then it would go down here. So these are usually the center of the fold. Okay. And with these images, that's that image is showing, and that's the erosion. Why I've put the folds here for gold, say one of the layers, see in the syncline here, say one of the layers, so the third one layer down, so that was a gold bearing creek, full of conglomerate material, and it was gold in it. So as it weathers down, you can see on one side, they're both appearing on one side. So if you find gold on one side, then, and if you know then that's a syncline, then you can actually look on the other syncline side to see if that same layer has gold. So, okay. We'll go to the next layer, and we've got rock units. Again, I'll turn the fold off. Feature with the rock unit 2 is, well, all maps, opacity, you can actually move the opacity down so you can actually see the location of where this lays. So you can actually do that to most layers. Okay, well, I've included rock layers because they have an indication of where gold is going to be found. So you've got all these mines here, all along this mineral bed. And so on the right-hand side, you've got all the different layers. So this starts at the youngest, and this goes to the oldest. And as you zoom in, they'll actually reduce to size to only what you're actually viewing. Yeah. Well, that's all the rock layers. Oh, okay. There's more potential maps. Mineral potential maps down here. East Lachlan. So this one is Lachlan. You could say organic AU mineral potential. That just gives you an idea of where you could actually find the gold. So yeah. Okay. And you got different ones, and there's even one from scars, which I'll be using. Find some scar. And that's it. That's it. But what we've got to do is make sure cover that one up. Keep that one on and select. So I've got to save the view. Surface on surface. One. I'll see up here. Ground, land, national park, state land, conservative, declared wilderness, state forest, rivers, fold axis. Okay. So before you save, get to all the layers that you regularly want up, and the location. Yeah, my views. And it's got that. The sunny corner. What do you call this? Extra plus. Extra. Closed it. There you go. Okay, that's it. That's it. Hope you found this useful. Hope you find this useful. Okay, cheers.